Alam nyo ba na gumawa ng Independent Commission for Infrastructure o ICI si Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. para imbestigahan lahat ng infrastructure projects ng gobyerno? Oo, hindi lang flood control, kundi lahat ng projects ng public works. Tatlo lang ang miyembro ng ICI, pero may sariling secretariat at subpoena powers pa. Ibig sabihin, pwede silang magpatawag ng witnesses at humingi ng mga dokumento tulad ng bank records, contracts at iba pa. Iimbestigahan ng ICI ang project sa loob na nakaraang 10 taon, kaya kahit tapos na ang termino ay pwedeng balikan ng mga anomalya. Pero teka, ano raw ang pinagkaiba nito sa investigasyon ng Senado o Kongreso? Sabi ni Pangulong Marcos,
it will be completely independent. That's something that cannot be said if, for example, the Senate conducts, maraming nababanggit na senador. If the House conducts the investigation, marami ring nababanggit na congressman. Kaya sinasabi ng mga tao, bakit naman nag-iimbestiga sila but they're investigating themselves, which is always a little bit of a difficult situation. It's hard to be fair. But they are, of course, as I said before, it's their prerogative to conduct such investigations. However, so as to make it very, very clear to people that this is independent. I would like to stress this over and over again. It is an independent commission, and that is why we have taken great pains to make sure that that independence is respected, is recognized, and is observed. And that's what we plan to do. And that's the difference, is that we can say, at least this commission can say, they have no ties to any part of government. If you look, they are all out of government. There are all personalities who are out of government, except for Mayor Benji Magalong.
Si Baguio City Mayor Benjamin Magalong, na itinalaga bilang special advisor ng ICI para hindi na niya kailangang iwanan ang pagka-mayor. Ayon mismo sa Pangulo, talagang magiging independent daw ang komisyon.
Yes, we can use his talents. But that is the specific. That is for us the differences that we can point to show that it is in fact independent.
So anong tingin nyo? Game changer ba ito